welcome to Aso Rock Vibes TV. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about 5 countries you should visit after COVID-19 pandemic. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, share this video, and also follow us on our social media on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter at Aso Rock Vibes. If you follow us, we are going to follow you back. So guys, let's grow together. Let's get right into the video. Since the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic, people have not been traveling as usual because of the total lockdown in all the countries of the world, and so many countries are beginning to open up their schools, their markets, their parks, and their international airports. So in this video, we are going to be talking about 5 countries you should visit after the COVID-19 pandemic. And the 5 countries are all African countries. I want you to come to Africa after the COVID-19 pandemic. And if you are in Africa, I want you to travel to any of these countries. Africa is very beautiful and it's very, very lovely. So, and in case I did not mention your country in this video, guys, please bear with me. And also, I want you to tell us 5 countries in the comment section, 5 countries you want people to visit after the COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get right into the video. We are starting from number 1. The number 1 country I want you to visit is Nigeria. Nigeria is located in the west side of Africa. Nigeria is the largest black nation in the world with over 200 million people. Nigeria is the home country of Aliko Dangote, the richest black man in the world. And when you talk of entertainment, music, movies, comedies, I think Nigeria is number 1 in Africa. And also, if you visit Nigeria, don't forget to taste the Nigerian jollof, which is the best jollof rice in the world. I think my Ghanaian brothers will get angry now because they always feel Ghana jollof is the best. But if you think Ghana jollof is the best, come to Nigeria and taste Nigeria jollof. You will know that Nigeria jollof is the best food in the whole world. There are 3 states I want you to visit if you come to Nigeria. A lot of people think Nigeria has only Lagos and Abuja, but there are 36 states in Nigeria and capital territory, meaning there are 37 states in Nigeria. The first state I want you to visit in Nigeria is Lagos State. Lagos is located in the western part of the country. Lagos is also the economic hub of the country and also the most populated state in the country with over 25 million people. That means about 10% of Nigerians are in Lagos. And also, most billionaires in the country also live in Lagos. In case you find yourself in Lagos, there are 3 places I want you to visit. The first place you should visit is the Eco Atlantic City. It's still developing, they are still working on it. It's still under construction, but visit the Eco Atlantic City. The second place you should visit is the Silverbird Galleria, which is located in Victoria Island, Lagos. And the third place you should visit is the Nike Art Gallery, which is located in Lekki Phase 1. The second state you should visit in Nigeria is Rivers State, Port Harcourt. It is located in the southern part of the country, a very beautiful state rich in crude oil with an estimated population of about 10 million people. If you find yourself in Port Harcourt, there are 3 places I want you to visit. Number 1 is the Port Harcourt Pleasure Park located at Rumuola before Boricamp Barrack. The second place you should visit is the Port Harcourt Zoo located at Transamadi, Port Harcourt. The third place you should visit is the Silverbird Cinema located at Diop, Port Harcourt. The third state I want you to visit in Nigeria is Abuja, which is the Federal Capital Territory. It is located in the north central part of the country with an estimated population of over 3 million people. If you find yourself in Abuja, there are 3 places I want you to visit. The first place is the Jabi Lake, the second place is the Zuma Rock, and the third place, if you are a Muslim, visit the Abuja National Mosque. I think is the finest or the largest mosque in Nigeria. And also, if you are a Christian, visit the Glory Dome of the Dunamis International Gospel Center. That is the largest church auditorium in the world. I think it has about 100,000 seating capacity. The second country you should visit after the COVID-19 pandemic is Ghana. Ghana is a country located in the west side of Africa along the Gulf of Guinea and the Atlantic Ocean, with an estimated population of about 30 million people, which is less than 20% of the population of Nigeria. When it comes to tourism and entertainment, Ghana is one of the leading countries in Africa. So there are 3 places I want you to visit when you come to Ghana. The first place is the Artist Alliance Gallery. This is a 3-story building art gallery which was created by top Ghanaian artist Ablade Glover. It is located at Omani House, Accra Tema Beach Road, Labadi, Accra, the capital of Ghana. The German president was also there during his visit to Ghana in 2018. The second place you should visit when you come to Ghana is the Labadi Beach. This is the most popular beach in Accra, Ghana. You will definitely enjoy yourself if you visit the Labadi Beach. If you visit during the weekend, you will meet some reggae bands there which will entertain you. Even popular Nigerian artist Burna Boy said this beach is the only place he finds peace in the world. He also said anytime he looks at the point which separates the beach from the sky, he feels God lives there. Wow. Third place you should visit in Ghana is the Kakum National Park. At Kakum National Park, you will find 40 mammal species, 300 bird species, and over 600 butterfly species. The most popular part of it is the Canopy Walk. Kakum National Park is located at central region of Ghana, and there are also so many beautiful places you can visit when you come to Ghana. The third country you should visit after the COVID-19 pandemic is Tanzania. Tanzania is an East African country known for its vast wilderness area. It has an estimated population of about 56 million people. Tanzania's president, John Magufuli, is the most loved president in the world. This man have never heard any negative comment or tweet about him. So guys, visit Tanzania after the COVID-19 pandemic. There are 3 places you should visit in Tanzania if you come to Tanzania. The first place is Mount Kilimanjaro. Is the highest mountain in Africa, which is about 5,895 meters, and it's also Tanzania's most iconic image. The best time to visit the mountain or climb the mountain is during the dry season, because during the rainy season the mountain will be very, very cold. The second place you should visit if you come to Tanzania is the Serengeti National Park. The Serengeti National Park is a vast treeless plain with millions of animals living there or passing through there in search of grassland. The Serengeti National Park is also the second largest park in Tanzania. Third place to visit when you come to Tanzania is the Zanzibar beaches. The island of Zanzibar, also called the Unguju, is a common holiday destination in Tanzania. It's known for its beautiful beaches. The island of Zanzibar has so many beautiful beaches. So if you come to Tanzania, one place you should come to is the Zanzibar beaches. The fourth country you should visit after the COVID-19 pandemic is South Africa. South Africa is a country on the southernmost tip of the African continent. South Africa has an estimated population of about 58 million people, when it comes to entertainment and tourism. South Africa is one of the leading countries in Africa. And also there are 3 places I would like you to visit if you come to South Africa. The first place is the Victoria and Alfred waterfront. The Victoria and Alfred waterfront is located in Cape Town, South Africa. And if you don't know, Cape Town is one of the most beautiful states in Africa. And this waterfront attracts millions of people to Cape Town. Second place you should visit if you come to South Africa is the Kruger National Park. It is located in the northeastern part of South Africa. It is one of the largest game reserves in Southern Africa. Its high density of animals includes the big 5, that is lion, leopards, rhinos, elephants and buffaloes. The third place you should visit when you come to South Africa is the Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden. Kirstenbosch is an important botanical garden located in the eastern foot of the Table Mountain in Cape Town. The garden is so beautiful. Number 5 and the last country I want you to visit after the COVID-19 pandemic is Kenya. Kenya is an East African country with coastline on the Indian Ocean. Kenya has an estimated population of about 52 million people. When it comes to entertainment and tourism, Kenya is one of the leading countries in Africa. There are 3 places I want you to visit when you come to Kenya. The number 1 place is the Nairobi National Park. The Nairobi National Park is one of the most popular parks in Kenya. It was established in 1946, located about 7 kilometers south of Nairobi. The second place you should visit in Kenya is the Amboseli National Park. It is known for its elephant heads and views of Mount Kilimanjaro across the borderline in Tanzania. This park attracts thousands of visitors daily. The third place you should visit when you come to Kenya is the Diani Beach. Diani Beach is a major beach on the Indian Ocean coast of Kenya. It is located 30 kilometers south of Mombasa in Kwale County. It has been voted Africa's leading beach destination for the 5th time running since 2015. One thing the media will always do is they will make you to feel that Africa is not safe. They will make you to feel that Africa is underdeveloped. They will make you to feel like Africans live on trees and Africans live in the forest, they live in the bush, they are not civilized. But let me tell you this, there is an island in Lagos, a very small island in Lagos called the Banana Island, and more than 35 occupants of the island own private jets. So don't believe whatsoever they tell you. And the occupants of the islands, they are not Americans, they are not Chinese, they are Nigerians. And properties on the islands are so expensive. So let me tell you, Africans are civilized. They use the latest iPhone, the latest Lamborghini, they live in skyscrapers. So I want you to come and see Africa for yourself. Don't believe whatsoever they tell you. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon for notification, and follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter at Aso Rock Vibes. If you follow us, we will follow you back. So guys, let's grow together. Peace always.